Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about adverbs, small but powerful words that can change the way you describe actions or even how you feel. Let's get started. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Take this sentence. She runs. Now let's add an adverb. She runs quickly. Here, quickly tells us how she runs. It changes the meaning and makes the sentence more descriptive. Adverb can also modify adjectives. For example, the water is cold. If we add an adverb, the water is extremely cold. The word extremely modifies the adjective cold and shows us the degree of coldness. Adverbs can even modify the other adverbs. Look at this. He sings loudly. We can add another adverb to modify it. He sings very loudly. The adverb very modifies loudly, showing the intensity. Some common adverbs include quickly, slowly, very, always, often, never. They can describe time, frequency, manner, and degree. One mistake learners make is using an adjective instead of an adverb. For example, saying she sings beautiful is incorrect. It should be she sings beautifully because adverbs describe actions. That's a quick look at how adverbs work. They add depth to our sentences, making them more precise and interesting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick grammar tips. See you next time. Thank you so much.